Hey, welcome to, you thought I was going to say Novice Quads? Well, I wasn't this time. I was going to say welcome to Novice Quads FPV. And the reason I haven't been putting out any FPV videos is basically because I've been so worried about how bad I fly. I'm teaching myself, I'm getting into stick time, but I tend to over-critique myself, and maybe that comes from flying a camera drone. But anyway, after talking with Val and Ed, they convinced me that there's always someone better than you, and there'll always be someone worse than you. So even though I consider my flying pretty bad, I don't feel too bad after having that talk with them.